kinds of dangerous stuff being done with U.S. money. It makes perfect sense that he would ask for some sign that they were serious about reform before providing U.S. aid, which was ultimately provided, by the way. So, the context of this is that Trump knows he's dealing with a regime, a nation that has just been led by a very corrupt bunch that's been voted out. That corrupt bunch was working to undermine his election, working with the DOJ, the Obama DOJ, the FBI, all that. Of course he's not going to trust these people. He's going to have to see some indication that they are serious about reforming before they get U.S. aid. He's not just going to provide it willy-nilly. And so asking for some kind of show that the Ukrainian new President Zelensky is serious is part of the deal. He's just not going to write him a blank check. There was no quid pro quo. 2 witnesses yesterday. No bribery, no quid pro quo. Aid was not held up as a bargaining chip. It was held up because Trump wanted to see serious signs of serious reform. Now we go back to Sunderland. Testifying today, he asked Trump open-ended, what do you want from Ukraine? Since he wasn't in a good mood, said, I want nothing. I want nothing. I want no quid pro quo. Tell Zelensky to do the right thing. Bingo. What's the problem here? The problem is that the Democrats have crept up to this by creating this grand illusion that the only thing Trump cared about regarding Ukraine was somehow them engaging in action to penalize Joe Biden. What Trump was interested in getting to the bottom, why in the world would, in his mind, here's Donald Trump has overcome the odds, been elected president, why in the world would he automatically, without challenge, send billions of dollars to this country that had just tried to sabotage his own campaign and may continue to sabotage his own presidency until he sees evidence that there has been change or reform? So now that's when Rudy Giuliani enters the picture. But we don't have, even now, we don't have a single witness who can say that Trump demanded a quid pro quo. They're all saying that Rudy did it. They're all saying Rudy did this and he was speaking for the president. None of these guys wanted to work with Rudy. They didn't like Rudy. But once again,